हेलो बंधुरा आज के आमरा आईसी माधवपुर लेको। तो माधवपुर लेक हইছে खूब सुंदर एक प्लेस। तो आमार बंधुरा आइसे शमशेनगर चा बागान थाकी। तो आज के आमी चाइराम आपनादेर काछे खूब सुंदर सुंदर प्राकृतिक सौंदर्य एवं की पर्यटकदेर साथे परिचय करिए देब। ओटा हইছে मनोमुग्धकर माधवपुर लेक, देखते अनेक सुंदर। लेकेर चारिदिके सबुज चा पाता। এখন আমরা আরেকটু সামনে যাইরাম। আজকে মাধবপুর লেকে 4টি দেশ অস্ট্রেলিয়া, নেপাল, জার্মান আর জাপান থাকি ভ্রমণ করতে আসছেন পর্যটকরা। তো চলেন যাই শেয়ার করি।
অ্যাকশন।
Hello, my name is OJ Bautista. I'm one of this tour group that has the opportunity of being here in your country, Bangladesh. And thank you, first of all, thank you, Lord, for allowing us to be here and to be witnessing all these free garden places. So amazing. Yes, it's too far up a ride, but it's worth a dime to be here. Thank you so much again, and thank you, Lord, for being here.
Here are also Bangladesh, and we have enjoyed coming out here because the green lush jungle and seeing all the animals. It is beautiful. Love seeing the cows, chickens, goats. It was gorgeous. And then we hiked up here to see this lake and the tea. I never saw anything so amazing. It is beautiful. Thank you for allowing us to visit your country.
Thank you so much. India.
One more.
Your behind is India. Three forest place. The hills from here.
I worked with Colleen, as a matter of fact, for many years, and from Los Angeles. And all of us are all from Los Angeles.
Yeah, and nurses.
And nurses as well. And I really like the country. I'm so glad that we were invited to come in here to see all what you have and your tea gardens. It's beautiful. I hope that many other visitors come and see as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you for visiting Bangladesh.
Thank you.
How can we benefit from United Nations also with the good country?
তো আজকে ওনাদেরকে দেখিয়া এবং ওনাদের ইংলিশ কথা শুনিয়া আমারে খুব ভালো লাগছে। আর আপনাদেরকে কেমন লাগছে কমেন্ট করে জানাইবা। আর ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে আপনারা একটু শেয়ার করবা। ধন্যবাদ।